May natutunan ako kay Direk Bobot Mortiz noon pa, yung play for truth. Palagi niya sinasabi, how would you attack this? How would you do this piece na hindi mo binabasura yung katotohanan? Dapat maging grounded pa rin yung mga jokes na ginagawa natin para maraming makarelate. So hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin yung formula na sinusunod namin.
To be very relatable. The sketches, the gag should be relatable to other people. Lalo ngayon, sa panahon ngayon, mas gusto ng tao yung nakaka-relate sila. Because sometimes you don't even find it funny, but because it's relatable, nare-relate mo yung sarili mo doon and it makes you at least smile. So, para sa akin, yun na yung formula ng bagong comedy ngayon. It's not being offensive, it's not being bastos, it's not being green, but being relatable.
At hirap ng tanong, parang pang Miss Universe yung tanong ni Kuya. Kailangan mo talagang isa puso yung script. What I mean, you have to study, you have to research, lalo na pag meron kang mga sketch o parody na meron kang ginagayang tao, syempre their nuances, their actions, the way they talk, the way they speak, the way they enunciate words and everything. So, yun kailangan talaga kasi dito sa Bubblegum, you're not just portraying yourself, you're portraying a lot of roles. Mother, father, brother, sister, how you brush your teeth.
So ang formula siguro mas mag-enjoy ka sa sketches na mga gagawin mo or sa mga karakter na ginagampanan ko.
Kinikilala ko muna yung character ko. So, ang ginagawa ko, lagi kong binabasa yung script the day before ng taping day kasi ini-email sa amin yung script before the taping day. So, ang ginagawa ko, talagang binabasa ko siya, ini-internalize ko, ano ba siya? Sino ba tong character to? Sino ba tong tao na to? And I always see to it na dapat hindi ito same sa ibang ginawa ko, yung previous na ginawa ko. So, yun yung parang isa sa mga creative process ko on how to portray a character. Laging gusto ko na dapat ibahin ko to dun sa previous kong ginawa. Dapat may iba na naman ako mapakita, dapat may iba na naman akong ma-showcase dito sa character na to.